When investing in a home espresso setup, looks can be just as important as performance. For many people, the perfect grinder offers superbly smooth shots with timeless premium construction that looks like an art piece alongside your espresso machine. Hi, I'm Ben with Clive Coffee. Today we'll be giving you a brief overview of the ECM V-Titan 64 espresso grinder. If you're familiar with ECM, you know they have a habit for designing stunning machines with unparalleled build quality. The V-Titan is no exception. The first thing you'll notice are the beautiful rounded lines of its sleek chromed body, evoking the streamlined styling of a 1950s luxury sedan. From there, it's all in the details. Everything from the chromed steel collar to its stainless adjustment dial. Even the polished conical chute, which is reminiscent of classic cafe grinders, also ensures your grinds fall neatly in the center of your portafilter. As subjective as beauty is, we'd say this is the most beautiful grinder in our showroom. But beauty alone has never been enough for ECM. Performance has to match. The Titan's large 64mm titanium-coated flat burrs and its powerful 450-watt motor work in tandem to create wonderfully fluffy grinds faster than most traditional commercial grinders. Dispensing 20 grams takes less than 5 seconds, minimizing heat and friction, which would rob clarity and body in the cup. Programmable grind times down to tenths of a second result in an extremely accurate dose with no spillage and minimal waste. The time display matches that of the Synchronica and can be turned off, so there's just nothing to distract from both quality and quantity. Whether your morning routine demands a quick and consistent drink, or you want to entertain with back-to-back drink production, this true commercial unit is more than up to the job. Its infinite worm gear grind adjustment allows precise changes to be made, changing your brew time down to the second. And the sturdy stainless steel adjustment knob and collar provide a satisfying mechanical feel that few can match. For those seeking a winning combination of form and function in a grinder that can compete with their favorite local coffee shop, the ECM V-Titan 64 stands up to the challenge. With its unique aesthetic, premium build, and excellent grind quality, this grinder might be the last you'll ever buy.